Good morning. This is Lydia. Let's welcome this new day together. Whether you are in bed or already up, let's begin this day with a few deep grounding breaths. Breathing in deeply and breathing out slowly. Breathe in, feel the air travel to the chest, to the belly. Breathe out, feel the air leave the body little by little. Breathe in, invite fresh energy to fill your entire being. Breathe out, grounding yourself fully in this moment. And now, gently open your eyes and with a soft gaze, look around the space that you're in. Take time now to feel the morning light. And notice how the light slowly awakens every cell in your body. Notice how the mind responds to the light. And when you're ready, I invite you now to come to a standing position. Let us do a gentle morning stretch to help you get ready for your day. Coming to stand hip-width apart on the ground, feel yourself firmly rooted, and begin to rotate your neck. Going slow and gentle and clockwise motion. And slowly let's switch side. The other direction. Breathing in, head goes back. Breathing out, head comes forward. And now begin to swing your arms freely from side to side. Turning your torso gently as well as you swing. Releasing any tension, any tightness in the arm. And slowly come back. Now bring both hands on the hip and begin to move your hips in circular movement. Drawing big circle clockwise with your hip, making the circle as big as you can. And go the opposite direction now. Circle is the best movement for our hips and joints, especially first thing in the morning. Lastly, let's shake up those legs. Shake your left leg, shake your right leg. Keep a soft bend in the knee. And if you like, you can hop up and down a few times. And slowly come back to standing still. Take a moment now just to feel this fresh surge of energy throughout your entire body. It feels so good to be alive. Now quietly ask yourself, how do I want to show up today? I invite you to choose one word for yourself. and feel the word, this energy settle in your body. And carry this intention with you into everything you do today. Take one last deep breath in, inviting fresh energy, fresh ideas, fresh possibilities. Exhaling fully, grounding in this new beginning. May today surprise you with something beautiful. Thank you for practicing with me. This is Lydia. And for the rest of the day, whenever you need a quick energy boost, come back and listen to the 5-minute midday reset meditation made just for you.